Hi guys, welcome to a new series of Guinness World Records trying to break them. So first up is, who can eat a starburst in the quickest time? Myself, Skirt, is going to go first. And Javs, you're going to time it. So hope you can all see the starburst just there. I am not allowed to lick my lips. Go over there. Duh. And you tell me when to go.
3, the 2, the 1, the go.
Oh, so true. Oh. Nah. Done.
20 seconds.
Ooh. Right, now Jav's turn. Beat 20 seconds, son.
Yeah, well, of course I will. I'm the quickest eater in.
I can't see the starburst. There's the starburst. You can go. In 3, 2, 1. No, you have to start it on the plane. 1, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh, he's very confident.
Done.
Let's see. 13 seconds.
Yeah.
So it's 1-0 Javs. And in our next video, it'll be who can put them as many socks on in 1 minute. Goodbye.